You must be aware of the most typical signs of a malfunctioning ignition coil if you want to maintain the best possible performance in your vehicle. The car's 12 V-power must be transformed by the ignition coil. In order to ignite the air-fuel mixture, the converted voltage is sent to the spark plug. From here, a spark occurs at a precise time to ignite the mixture in the cylinder. In this video, we go over the signs of a malfunctioning ignition coil. We will also explain how to test the coils and their replacement cost. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Check engine light. The check engine light typically illuminates when the ignition coils are damaged. You might see a P0300 to P0312 ignition code or something manufacturer specific if you use your compatible code scanner. A generic engine misfire code could also appear. You might have time to fix the issue before it gets out of hand if the check engine light is solid. However, continuing to drive could result in more harm. To avoid damaging the engine, you should turn off the vehicle right away if the light is flashing. Stalling engine. The engine will stall if the malfunctioning ignition coil cannot keep it running. When combustion doesn't take place as it should, this happens. You won't be able to start the car engine in extreme weather. When the engine stalls in this scenario, you are left stranded wherever you are. Rough acceleration. The engine will not only run rough when it is idling, you can also feel it when you're driving. You may notice that the engine is having more difficulty than usual as you press down on the accelerator. The cabin will begin to vibrate as the rough ride worsens. You will eventually become concerned about the engine stalling. Hard starting engine. A spark must ignite the air-fuel mixture at the proper moment in order to start the engine. The mixture won't ignite correctly if the spark plug isn't getting enough voltage from the ignition coil. When attempting to start the engine, this issue is most frequently observed. Consider that the ignition coil or other parts of the system might be the cause if you have problems starting the engine. Misfiring engine. The engine will misfire if the ignition coil isn't functioning properly. The inability of the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder to ignite results in a misfiring engine. A hesitancy or jerking sensation is caused by misfiring engines, particularly when you try to accelerate. Additionally, as the misfire worsens, you can feel the vibration throughout the cabin. Rough idle. Engine idling is the period of time when the engine runs, but the vehicle is not moving. When you stop at an intersection or traffic light, you leave the engine running. When you are waiting in a parking lot, you can also leave the engine running. Generally speaking, the engine should idle smoothly and predictably. There might be a problem with the ignition coils if it gets rough. It may also be a sign of an issue with the exhaust, air filter, spark plugs, or fuel injectors. Poor fuel economy. An ignition coil may eventually fail on its own. You should observe a decline in fuel efficiency as the coil deteriorates over time. Actually, you should be able to identify issues before other symptoms show up if you are keeping an eye on your gas mileage. It's best to replace the damaged ignition coil as soon as possible because you want the engine to run as efficiently as possible, and you don't want to spend more money on fuel than is necessary. Exhaust smells like gas. Each cylinder's air-fuel mixture must be ignited by the ignition system. There will be an imbalance between the amount of fuel and air passing through the engine if it doesn't. As a result, too much gas is released from the exhaust. You will be able to identify the unburned gas as it comes out because fuel has a distinct smell. Replacement cost. The average cost of replacing an ignition coil is between $200 and $300. Parts cost between $150 and $225, and labor costs the remaining amount. You might be able to replace the ignition coils yourself if you know how to do it. If not, you should look for a skilled mechanic to do the work. Hope the information is helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.